And we're back to HTML Canvas. Let us talk about line joins. And I've created 3 simple lines, red, blue, green. Nothing too fancy, just a straight horizontal line with a different stroke style and a bigger line width. Let me add a vertical line that starts where the first red line ends. And now we want to check the join right here. It's set to the default, which gives you these straight edges. It's this value right here, mida or mida. I still haven't figured out how to pronounce that in English. Let me add that to red, so that's the default. If you want to change it, you can, for example, change it to bevel right here for the blue one. But we also have to add a vertical line. So I'll use cdx.line2. I'll keep the x value to 100 and I'll make the y value to 50. Let me make it 200. At 250 our green one already starts. And now you can see this is a different join. I'll add that here to blue. One more thing to add, if I add a vertical line now here in green, it's going to get the bevel join. So the last set value is stored, therefore it doesn't go back to the default state. If we don't want to have bevel, we need to definitely add a join. And there's also a third option called rounds, but let me show you. It gets back to the default when I change this value to mida. Now I'll make it round. And this is the third variation of a join. Once again, the last value is stored. So whenever you've got your design finished, it's a good idea to just add cdx line join and set it back to the default, especially when you have a bigger project. That way you don't get lost here. And then afterwards continue with the regular code. And this is how you can change this line join in HTML Canvas. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.